Hello, in this video I'll share how to make dan wake beans dumplings. Here are the ingredients you will need. I have loads more information about these ingredients on my website. The link will be somewhere on the screen now and in the description of the video below. Mix the beans flour, cassava flour and the baking soda. Then add the Kuka powder and mix. Start adding the beef stock and mix at the same time till you get a soft and sticky dough. Normally warm water is used for the mixing, but I prefer beef stock as it gives dan wake some taste. It's quite hard to season dan wake. For taste, it relies on the sauce or the side dish that you eat it with. But I try to get some taste into the dough too. If your beef stock finishes, you can continue with warm water. Set the dough aside briefly while you set some water to boil. Add enough water such that all the dan wake balls will have enough room to swim in there. When the water boils, reduce the heat to medium and start making small balls with the dough. This is how it is normally done. Just make some shapeless balls the size of an adult swallow and throw into the boiling water. But in the spirit of love, I will make some heart-shaped dan wake dumplings like this. Then throw into the boiling water. Once the dumpling heats up, it will come to the surface like this. This is proof that you did it right. Cover and leave to cook for 15 to 20 minutes and it is done. With any of these, especially the ultimate Nigerian stir fry by Naija Foodie. Go check it out. Bye bye. See you soon.